Here are 3 extremely easy ways to make money online in 2024 with zero investment. Online surveys. Participating in online surveys is a simple way to earn money. Many companies and market research firms pay individuals to share their opinions on various products and services. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Inbox Dollars offer opportunities to earn money by completing surveys, watching videos, and even playing games. Freelancing. If you have skills in writing, graphic design, programming, or any other field, you can offer your services as a freelancer on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. These platforms connect freelancers with clients seeking specific skills. You can create a profile highlighting your expertise and start bidding on projects that match your abilities. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. You can join affiliate programs of companies like Amazon, ShareASale, or ClickBank, and promote their products through your website, blog, or social media channels. When someone makes a purchase using your affiliate link, you earn a percentage of the sale. These methods require dedication and consistency to see significant results, but they offer a way to make money online without any initial investment.